that is, you know, the value of or the expansion of a plus b whole square is, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, you can tell a plus b raised to 3 expansion. Yes, are you able to tell what is the expansion of a plus b raised to 4? Yes, a plus b raised to 5. It is a difficult no? Now, I tell you the simple trick how to remember these algebraic identities, so without a beheading. So, I tell all these things, do not memorize. Using do not memorize a technique, you can find the expansion of a plus b whole square, a plus b cube, a plus b raised to 4, so on. So it is a very easy technique. Let us begin that. So this is, we call it as a Pascal triangle. So here it is a 1, next 1 1, 1 2 1, 1 3 3 1. So even for me, say remembering such numbers, it is a difficult. Earlier days we have a habit of memorizing or keeping in mind our parents' number, landline number, due to today's electronic gadgets. See, even we don't know our cell phone number. So if it is that is a fact, then how to memorize all these numbers? Difficult, no? Then today I will tell you the simple technique how to construct this particular Pascal triangle. So very interesting, students. Let us begin this. So how to construct a Pascal triangle? So in a beginning, I write the number 1. Further, I write 1 and 1. So beginning there is a number 1. So 1 and 1 I carry forward. So here I write the 1. Then 1 plus 1, it is a 2. Then I carry forward the same number. Similarly, 1 1 1, next also 1. 1 plus 2, it is a 3. 2 plus 1, it is a 3. Next 1 I take it. So in 1 it will come in a like step by steps, 1 by 1. Similarly, it goes like this. So middle all these numbers we have to add. So as per the rule, I write a 1. 1 plus 3, it is a 4. I write it in the middle. 3 plus 3, it is a 6. Here I write 3 plus 1, 4, and then 1. So further I continue this. So this is 1. 1 plus 4, it is a 5. 4 plus 6, it is a 10. 6 plus 4, it is 10. And 4 plus 1, it is 5. Next 1. So similarly, one more line we can write it. So it is 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 5 plus 10, 15. 10. Yes. Next we can write this is degree 1. This is degree 2. This is 3. This will be the 4. This is 5, and this will be the 6. So this is the construction of a Pascal triangle. So once again go through it. 1. Next I write 1 1. 1 continue. Next 1 plus 1 2. Next it is a 1 1. 1 plus 2 3. 2 plus 1 3 1. So like that go on adding. So this will be the addition of previous two numbers, which is towards the left as well as the right. Similarly, this 10, it is the addition of the number which is in a left 4 and which is in a right 6. It is 4 plus 6, 10 we get it. So 1 I have written like this, and 1 also I have written in this fashion here. This type of the triangle construction, we call it as a Pascal triangle. Yes, so this is our Pascal triangle. So 0, degree is 0, degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a Pascal triangle. Next, so counting numbers it is, counting numbers, here it is degree 0, it is a 1, like that we have a triangles in this fashion. Yes, so now we will discuss one example, so using the Pascal triangle. Yes, so Pascal triangle, once again we write it, here it is a 1, here it is a 1, 1, 1, next 1 or 2, 1, next 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, 1. So this is a 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 5, 1. Further 1, 6, 15, then 10 plus 10, 20, next 15, 6, 1. Okay. So we will write now, yes, the formula a plus b whole square, like that. So here it is a plus b raised to 0. So a plus b will get some number, raised to 0 means will get a 1. Okay. Further, this will be our a plus b raised to 1. A plus b raised to 1. Next, we have a plus b whole square. Yes, a plus b whole square is, we have a square, here I write a square, then I write plus here, decrease 1 a, we get a power we have to decrease it, we get a, and decrease it, a raised to 0, 1 decrease. On the other hand, here we will take a b square, highest power, decrease 1, b, decrease b raised to 0 we get. So this is our a plus b whole square formula as 1 into a square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square it is. Yes, I hope you understood this. Next we will write a plus b raised to 3 using the Pascal triangle. That is first highest power, that is a cube, because raised to 3 a cube. Here b highest power, it is b cube, right? So further I write a plus, yes, decrease 1 a square, decrease one more a, that is we get a. Yes, further here it is a b cube, decrease it, it is a b square, decrease b, and next we will get a b raised to 0 as a 1 here. So middle you have to assign plus sign over here. Yes. So a plus b raised to 3 expansion is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube is. So using a Pascal triangle, we can write the formula for a plus b raised to 3. And there is a one observation. So sum of the powers, it is a 3 in a plus b raised to 3. A raised to 3, 3 it is. 2 plus 1, 3 we get it. 1 plus 2 we get a 3, and b raised to 3 we get a 3. Now we will write expansion for a plus b raised to, so very simple, yes, a raised to 4 will write it, a to the power 4. On the other hand, it is a b raised to 4, it is b raised to 4. So in subsequent, that is a next term, go on decreasing. A raised to 4 decrease a, we get a cube. Next we get a square. Next we get a, then a raised to 0, that we get it as a 1. No need to write. And we have a b raised to 4. Go on decreasing towards the left side. We get b raised to 3. Next b square. Next it is a b, and b raised to 0, we get it as a 1. So the formula of a plus b raised to 4 is, middle we have to assign plus sign. So here it is a plus, plus and plus. So expansion of a plus b raised to 4 is a raised to 4 plus 4 a cube b plus 6 a square b square plus 4 ab raised to 3 plus b raised to 4. This is the expansion of a plus b raised to 4. Using a Pascal triangle, we can write it. Some more tricks are there. In a same Pascal triangle, I am going to deal with 11 multiple also. How to write 11 table. As well as square of one number, it is a sum of 2, 3 numbers it is. That also we will discuss using a Pascal triangle. So further, now we will write a plus b raised to 5. A plus b raised to 5. So here a raised to the highest power, it is a 5. So we write this as a raised to 5. On the other hand, we write b raised to highest power, it is b raised to 5. So further we will decrease the values of a here. So it is a raised to 4. Next we get decreasing 1, a raised to 3. Once again decrease it, a square. Further once again decrease a, and finally we get a raised to 0, that is a 1. No need to write that. So similarly, on the other hand, it is a b raised to 5. Go on decreasing this one. So we get b raised to 4. This will be b cube, b square, b, and here b raised to 0, we write it as a 1. Since here it is addition relation, everywhere we have to take a plus sign. This is a plus, 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 and here it is a plus. This is the expansion of the formula a plus b raised to 5. One more fact, whether you are written properly correct or no, there is a one hint. Yes, a raised to 5. Sum of a powers you should get a 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. B raised to 5, 5. So this expansion is right. Yes, you know the construction of a Pascal triangle and how to write the expansion starting from a plus b raised to 0 to a plus b raised to 5. You are learned, and below we have this will be the expansion of a plus b raised to 6. Yes, you know the technique. Below there is a comment section. In a comment section, you have to write a expansion for a plus b raised to 6. Very easy. Here you have to take a raised to 6. See, and here it is b raised to 6. A raised to 6 go on decreasing from left to right. On the other hand, b raised to 6 go on decreasing from right to left. Yes, and then middle we have to assign plus sign. That will be the expansion for a plus b raised to 6. Yes, below there is a comment section. So within a 30 seconds you have to comment it in a comment box. So now we will study Pascal triangle a minus b square, a minus b raised to 3 using Pascal triangle. You know the construction. We write a 1. So here we will write 1, 1. Next we write a 1. Add it. 1 plus 1, 2, 1. Next it is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. And next 1 it is. Next it is a 1, 1 plus 3, it is a 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, 1, next it is 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 1, 5, 1 it is. Yes, one more line we write 1, 1 plus 4, 6, 5 plus 10, 15, 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 5, 15, 5 plus 1, 6, 1. Now, we'll write a formula for a minus b raised to 0. Remember, take a and b values are different. Then, after simplifying, if you take the power as a 0, any number raised to 0, you will get a 1 here. We have written expansion for a minus b raised to 0. Further, we will write expansion for a minus b raised to 1. That is, expansion for this is 1 is multiplied by a and 1 is multiplied by b. As in earlier example, yes, 1 into a, 1 into b. Here it is minus sign. Remember, if this is a minus sign, we have to assign alternatively positive and negative. First we have to take plus sign and then we have to take a minus sign. So this is plus, this is a minus. This is an expansion of a minus b raised to 1. Now we will write the expansion for a minus b square. So what I told, same technique we have to use, a square. A square. On the other hand, b square, it is a b square. A square, it is decrease the power of a, we get a, decrease the power of a raised to 0, that is a 1. On the other hand, from right to left, decrease the powers of a b, b square, decreasing, we get a b. Once again decrease it, b raised to 0, it is a 1. Since here it is a minus sign, we have to assign alternatively plus and minus sign. Alternatively means ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು plus sign ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ನಂತರ minus sign ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, this is a plus, minus, plus. So this is the expansion of a minus b square as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So further, we will write the expansion of a minus b raised to 3. A minus b raised to 3 expansion is, so same technique it is, a raised to 3, I write a raised to 3. On the left corner, right corner, it is a b raised to 3, I write b raised to 3. Go on decreasing this, a cube, it will become a square, next a, then a raised to 0, that is a 1, no need to write. And b raised to 3, decrease it right to left, so we get b square, next b raised to 0 as a 1. Here there is a minus sign, so if it is a minus sign, I have told you, you have to take alternatively positive and negative. So this is a plus, minus, this is the expansion of a minus b raised to 3. So these are all easy techniques. Yes, now we will discuss a minus b raised to 4. Yes, you know the technique. We write a raised to 4 and in this corner b raised to 4 and power of a go on decreasing, we get a cube, a square, a and leave it. And similarly, here it is a b raised to 4, decrease from right to left, b cube, b square, b and b raised to 0, no need to write. And I told you, here there is a minus sign. If there is a minus sign, we have to assign alternatively positive and negative, plus minus, plus minus, this is a plus. Okay, yes. So next we have a minus b raised to 5, a minus b raised to, it is a 6. So you know the technique how to simplify this. So below there is a comment section. So within a 30 seconds you have to write a expansion for a minus b raised to 5 and a minus b raised to 6 in a comment section. So this topic, it is connected with binomial theorem in PUC first year. So binomial, we will discuss what is mean by a binomial. Yes. So binomial means two terms. So I write a plus b raised to n. So a, we call it as a first term, and b, we call it as a second term. So n is any power here. N may be a 5, 6, 8. You can take a plus b raised to 100 also. So binomial theorem. So bi means 2, first term and second term. Two terms, expansion, we call it as a binomial theorem. Yes. So in our last expansion, you have studied all these things. A minus b raised to 4. If you go on continuing this, the increasing the Pascal triangle, so you can find any n expansion, that is a plus b raised to any number of n we can calculate. Yes, this is about the binomial theorem. So using a simple trick, you have understood how to write expansion for a plus b square, a plus b raised to 3, so on. Similarly, a minus b square, a minus b whole raised to 3, so on, all these things. So all these are very important concept. Now I will tell you how to remember. See, 11 square, 11 cube, that technique I will discuss now. Okay, let us begin now. Yes, now 11 table using binomial expansion. So now 11 raised to 0, here it is 11 raised to 0 it is. Yes, 11 raised to 0, 11 raised to 0 means any number raised to 0, always it is a 1. So this is in a Pascal triangle, that is a 1. 11 raised to 0, it is a 1. Now 11 raised to 1, it is 11. Here it is, we have 11. Next, 11 square, 121. Using a Pascal triangle, we can write it 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 11 square. Yes, it is a 121. Next, 11 cube. 11 cube means it is a 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, then 1 we have to carry forward. It is the expansion of 11 cube. Now 11 raised to 4. 11 raised to 4 means 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 we have to carry forward. This is 11 raised to 4, the value. Yes, very easy technique using Pascal triangle. See, I have discussed 3 tricks. First trick is a plus b raised to n expansion. Second is a minus b raised to n expansion. Third trick is 11 raised to any n. How to calculate using Pascal triangle. Next, we will discuss 11 raised to 5. 11 raised to 5 is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, here you get a 5. Yes, so we get 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 1, 5. Next we get a 1. So 11 raised to 5 means it is 16105. So here it is, you have to reduce to a single number. So here it is a 1, I write a 5, 10 I write it as 0 with a carry 1. Similarly, this 10 I write it as 0 and carry 1. Yes, so further I simplify. So it is a 1, next it is a 5, next unit place 0, 1 plus 0 we get a 1, next 1 plus 5, 6 it is, 1 as it is. So 11 raised to 5, its expansion is 16105. So if it is a double number, unit place we have to take it as it is, and 10th place we have to take it as a carry. Like that, 11 raised to 5 we have to write it. Dear students, now we will discuss what is the value of 11 raised to 6. So it is a very simple technique using the Pascal triangle. Once again we can write it. So here it is a 1, next 1, 5 plus 1 6, 10 plus 5 15, 10 plus 10 20, 5 plus 10 15, 1 plus 5 6, next it is a 1. So here there are two digits, we reduce to a only single digit. That is, I write 1 as it is, 6 it is, so unit place I take as it is, so 10th place I take it as a carry. Yes, similarly 20 we have, so 0 I take it as it is, 2 I take it as a carry, and here it is 5 I take it as it is, 1 I take it as a carry. So we get this as 1 6 5, next we get a 1, next 7 7 1. So this is the expansion of 11 raised to 6. 1 7 7 1 5 6 1. So this is 11 raised to 6. So below there is a comment section. In that, see, within a 1 minute I want the expansion of 11 raised to 7. So using a Pascal triangle you have to tell immediately this. So we will move to one more application of a Pascal triangle. So very interesting this one. So Pascal triangle. So we will discuss that also. So here there is a one symmetric line. We observe 1. I draw like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now look at here. This 2. Its neighbor is 1, and here it is below the neighbor is 3. 3 plus 1 4. 2 square equal to 3 plus 1. So first formula I am writing. So 2 square equal to 1 plus 3. Okay. Then here it is 3 square. 3 square. So your side neighbor, that is a 3. Your below neighbor, that is 6. Add it. 3 plus 6, it is a 9. 3 square is 9. So you will get this formula: 3 plus 6. Similarly, here it is a 4. 4 neighbor, it is a 6. Below neighbor, 10. So 4 square, it is a 16 equal to 6 plus 10, 16. So I have written over here. Yes. So one Pascal triangle. So I have told 4 tricks. So you can generate any number of new formula. So maths is not a difficult task. It is a very simple. Okay. See, it is like a mango. Science of, queen of all sciences is mathematics. So very interesting topic it is. Everyone should develop such type of looking at a different way. Yes, look at a person as a person. It is a general way. But look at a person as a number, then it is a mathematics. So I am applying all these simple things to mathematics. Similarly, I can write 5 square. It is a 25. 5 square as a 25. Its side neighbor 10 equal to 10 plus its below neighbor 15. So 15 plus 10, 25. 5 square is 25. Like that. So we don't have one more row next. So now I want, there is a below, there is a comment section. So I want what is mean by 6 square, 7 square, 8 square. Just it is a 3-second trick it is. So I want immediate reply for 6 square, 7 square and 8 square. Yes, now we'll discuss. So simple trick how to we'll discuss simple trick how to write 12 square. Yes, 35 square. So first type of examples we'll discuss it. So first I take 32 square. 32 square. Usually we'll do this as a 32 into 32, 2 times multiplication, a very lengthy procedure. Okay, this is useful in, see, if you are appearing for JEE, NEET or any competitive examination, so you will go with pen and pencil. You are not allowed to go inside with the calculator. I am telling you a simple trick without doing a calculation, without doing any calculation, with a mind calculation, how to find the solution for a simple examples like 32 square. Okay, so let us begin that. I tell the previous binomial theorem application, I will solve one example, and with my simple trick method, I will solve that which is compatible. You have to justify yourself. So first we will discuss this 32. It is near to which base? 10 or 20 or 30. Yes, below there is a comment box. You should immediately reply to this. So 32, it is near to 30. So I write 30 plus 2 whole square like this. So A, I take it this as A plus B whole square. So I write related formula. You are all perfect in all these algebraic formula. Yes, I write this as A square, then decrease A, then decrease it A raised to 0. And here it is B square, highest power is B square, decrease 1 B, decrease 1 B raised to 0. Then in a Pascal triangle we have 1, here it is into 2, here it is a 1. So since it is a plus, everywhere you have to assign plus sign. So using the Pascal triangle, I am writing an expansion of this. So I tell, do not memorize, it should be fixed in your mind, all this formula. Now I take A as a 30, B as a 2. So we get 30 square plus 2 times 30 into B is 2 plus B square, it is a 2 square. What I have done here, I have taken the value of A equal to 30 and B equal to 2. 30 square 2, 30 into 2, B square 2 squares. So further 30 square, 3 square 9, 0 square it will become double 0. See, simple trick it is. So now 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and here there is a 0. I write this 0 over here. Next 2 square, it is a 4. Now I add all these things, so I get 4 is in unit place, unit place, unit place. Add it. 4 plus 0 plus 0, we get a 4. Then 10th place. Here there is no 10th place. Here is a 10th place. Here is a 10th place. 2 plus 0, 2. For the 100th place, here it is 1 plus 10, 1 plus 9, we get a 10. So 32 square expansion is 1024. So within a 1 minute, you can find a solution for this. I have extended. I told you a plus b whole square expansion I have written, but write directly 32 as 30 plus 2 a square plus 2ab plus b square. So multiply it, simplify, add it, we get 1024. Within a 1 minute, you can find a solution for this. I will tell you one more simple technique. Yes, only one line solution it is. So within a 30 seconds, you can find the square of any number. Yes, so let us begin that. So I am taking the same example, 32 square. I am writing 3 places, 1, 2, 3. You may ask me why you are chosen 3 places, because 2 numbers are there. I taken a 3 places. So 2 square, how much? 4. 3 square, it is a 9. Then multiply. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So it is a 12. I write 2 it in a unit place and 1 as a carry forward. As a carry. So we get the solution as 4. This is 2. 1 plus 9, we get a 10. So using this simple technique, within a 5 seconds, you can write square of any number. So 32 square is 1024. It is. Okay. Dear students, now one more example we will solve it. I solve using the Pascal triangle formula, and one more that with our as usual method here. So very simple it is. See, usually the people will have had 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square like that. So it is a 10, up to 10, very difficult. Yes, and then 11, 12, all these things are very difficult. But using such technique, you can memorize all these things. Okay, now let us do one more example. It is 38 square. So this 38, it is near to which number? Yes, 38, it is a near to 30 as well as a 40 also. So it is very near. Yes, it is like a 30, little bit far towards a 40, very near. Yes, just 2 points apart from a 40. So I write 38 as 40 minus 2 whole square. Yes, very simple now. Now I use a formula a minus b whole square. This can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now I take the value of a by comparison. I take value of a as 40. And similarly comparing, I write the value of b as 2. In this expression, I get a 40 square and 2 into a 40, b it is a 2 plus b square, b is a 2 squares. So 40 square, very simple it is. Square 2 squares. Yes. So 40 square, 4 square, 60. Single 0 square, double 0. So I am using such technique. I don't know 40 square, so I use like this: 4 square 60, single 0 square, double 0 like this. So next 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 60. So 1 6. Then there is a 1 0, so I take it back. It will become 160. Very simple. I am not using the table, not more than 10. For the 2 square, it is a 4. Now 1600, add 4, we get 1604. In this, subtract 160, we get this as it is 4441. So solution for this is 1,444. Okay, this is also the very lengthy procedure. Now I use my usual method. So within a 30 seconds, I write the solution for 38 square. Yes, 38 square will write it. I write 38 square. This is my method. So first place, second place, third place I write. Okay, 8 square, 64. 6 I take up, 4 down. 3 square, I write it as a 9. Now I multiply. 3 into 8, 24. 24, 2s are 48. 4 I write in the up, 8 down. Now simplify this one. So it is 4. 6 plus 8, it is 14. Then 4 plus 9, it is a 30. So further we need to simplify. This is 4, 1 plus 30, it is a 40. So within a no time, we can write 38 square. Yes, I hope you understood everyone. So one more example I will do. So 53 square. So below there is a comment section. You can simplify, you can post it. So in my class, usually while solving, some of our students will give a reply. This is the answer. I'll be very happy. So similarly, you have to. There is a comment section. You have to comment it. Yes. So 3 square, it is 9. 5 square, it is 25. 5 is a 15. 15 2s are 30. So 3 0 I write it. So it is a 9 0. 25 plus 3, it is 28. So 53 square is 2809. 2809. So similarly, we'll solve one more example, which is 3 digit. Okay, 3 digit also we can apply this concept. So I write 102 square. It is a 3 digit. So once again, take 3 pieces. This is the first piece, second piece, third piece. Okay. Yes, treat this as 100 plus 2. Okay. 2 square, we get it as a 4. Yes. Next, it is a 1 square. It is a 1. Yes. So here there are 3 digits. So write it as a 2 digit. Yes. Here also write it as a 2 digit. Understood? Yes. Now 1 into 2, it is a 2. 2 into 2, it is a 4. It is 3 places are there. So what we have to do? 2 digits. 2 digits I have written. So solution for this is 0 1. So there is no meaning. See, 1 0 writing first. So I take 1 first. 0 4 0 4. Using a calculator you can verify it. See, like this we can find square of a 3 digits numbers. Yes. Now I will give you few examples as a do it yourself or homework. Below there is a comment section. In that you have to answer to these questions. Yes. 33 square, 18 square, 37 square, 21 square, next 104 square. Yes, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, these 5 examples, it is for homework for you. Using, see, you can use any technique. You can use binomial theorem technique, or else I told you 3 pieces solution. So within a 2 steps you will get a solution for these. So very interesting it is. So below there is a comment section. So within a 30 seconds you have to answer to this. This is about today's algebra class. So in the next class, once again we come with a different topic and very interesting tips and tricks. I hope you are all enjoying mathematics session. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.